Okay, on this minimal service form, I've turned a cone in from one end and a cone in from the other. I've turned the second cone by mounting it on this cone shaped chuck with a small mandrel that didn't interfere with the cut. It exploded once, so I had a small catch and the paper glue joint gave way, so I ended up taping it with electrical tape, and that held okay. So it's something to be careful of. So now I've split it in half, and I can flip it the other way and do the same thing in from the other two. So there'll be the cones coming in from the other two sides at 90 degrees to the first cone. Now I ended up also taking out less than I was originally planning to. That's that way up. Because it looked like the walls was going to be too thin and possibly go through where it intersects, so I've taken off less than I originally planned to. That might mean more carving later on. Well, it will mean more carving later on, but I'm thinking this might be a bit of a fail, but I'm not sure yet. Either way, I'm going to take it all the way to the end, because it will show me what I need to do, how far I can go if I decide to do it again. The other thing is, these weren't cubes. This wasn't a cube. It was 70 by 70 by 80, and I think I actually needed to start with a cube. So there's that. But anyway, I'll push on. I'll get this tape back, paper glue joint back that way, and turn the other two cones in, and also turn these corners away. Now I couldn't do that on the other side. I couldn't turn these outside corners away because that's most of your glue joint would be a big holding on by two little tiny bits in the middle, and there's no way that's going to hold. So that'll have to be ground away, you know, sanded away. Right, so that's that, and I'll be back when it's when I've got those other two cones in, and we'll see what it looks like.